Want to turn your crypto knowledge into cash? Let's explore Bitcoin affiliate programs. Earning with Bitcoin affiliate programs is simpler than you think. Here's a quick guide to get you started. First, choose a platform. Crypto exchanges like Binance and Coinbase, wallets like Ledger and Trezor, or lending platforms like BlockFi and Celsius are great options. Sign up, fill out a simple form, and get your unique affiliate link. Next, promote your link. Create engaging content, share on social media, send out emails, or even use paid ads. The key is to educate and attract your audience. Keep track of your referrals and earnings using the platform's dashboard. This helps you optimize your efforts. Finally, get paid. Withdraw your commissions once you hit the minimum threshold. Remember, building trust and offering value are crucial. Be patient and stay updated with crypto trends. By following these steps, you'll be on your way to a successful Bitcoin affiliate program.